Hello guys, so it's the start of the fan season. So first, we're turning all these fans on high. So Hunter Original, now Fanamation fan with beautiful blades. Let's put it on high. It's high for that one. And that unknown fan. We have a Fasco ceiling fan. I think a Fasco Charleston, and it runs on remote control. Wobbles a little bit, that's fine. Then over here we have a hamton grayton. Oh, wrong full chain. Moving on. Then we have this Fasco World's Fair, I think. Yeah, it's a Fasco World's Fair with 4 blades. Put that on high. That was a Casablanca 4 Seasons. And here we have a Casablanca Zephyr. I'm gonna turn it on like that. Okay, this one makes a little noise. See, and wobbles. You can barely see it wobbling though. That noise can get annoying. It makes me annoyed. Here's another Fasco World's Fair. And then there's a Hunter Original over there. I'll turn that on high like this. Remote control on the wall. Okay, there's that. Then right here we have another Fasco Charleston. Fasco World's Fair. And I don't know what this one is. I think this is a Fasco. I don't know. Looks like one. There's another Fasco World's Fair. Maybe. And over here, maybe this. I think this is a quorum. I'm not sure. No, I don't think it's a quorum. Oh Lord, it's hitting the light kit. What's this fan? I don't know what this fan is, but whatever. I'll just put it on high still. You can hear that Casablanca Zephyr all the way in here. Then here we have a Emerson blender fan, or Emerson blender ceiling fan. I'll turn it on like that. There's that wobbles. This is the same fan that was in there. I don't know what this fan is. Maybe a quorum. Here we have Litex Ellington Deluxe. Here we have a Heritage Lancaster. Then we here's a Hampton Bay Heartland. And then Casablanca Delta 2. Maybe, I'm not sure. Maybe a Banvil Industrial. Oh, is that the Casablanca Delta 2 making noise? I'm not sure. Oh, it's a Vari Speeds. Never heard that brand before. And then this Hunter fan. Man, there sure is a lot of fans. Then over here we have a bathroom. There's a bathroom, and here we have this fan, this tiny little thing. Put that on high. Oh, wobbles. Let's go in here, in the storage room. And here we have a Banvil fan, this Banvil Industrial. See, it says Banvil on there. Oh. Ooh, wow, that spins fast. It's a lot of noise, too. There's that. That thing makes a very silly noise. I mean, look at all these fans. Look. These are a lot of fans. A lot of them wobble for some reason. Yeah, I've seen some of these wobbling. That's weird. Well, not all of them are wobbling, just some of them. Wow, that thing's spinning fast. That vari breeze. Or that vari speeds. There's the Fasco World's Fair. That unknown fan. I think I've seen this fan before at a restaurant. I don't know, and this Fasco fan, I think that's what it is. Another Fasco, and then that fan over there that I'm not sure what's called, and that fan. That fan, that Hunter Original. Then the Fasco, the other Fasco World's Fair. And then the noisy Casablanca Zephyr. That unknown fan right there. Man, that thing sure is loud. Casablanca Four Seasons. I always forget the model. There's that Hunter Original, Fasco World's Fair, Fasco Charleston, and Hampton Bay Grayton in the corner. Fanamation, fanamation something. That fan, that sure spins fast. And then there's that fan. Okay, moving on. Now we're here again. So we're moving on to these two fans. Let's turn them on. I'm not sure what these fans are called though. Yeah, I'm not sure what these fans are recently called. I think they're Baby Craft Made. I'm not sure. I can't show them running though. And then we have this other fan. I'm not sure what this one's called either. Be like a SMC or Casablanca or something. No, I don't think it's an SMC. I don't think SMC makes fans like this. Well, they make an SMC Emperor. This is no. Right now we have this fan. This fan right here. Pretty interesting. Wow. This is a powerhouse fan, I'm telling you, it's a powerhouse. It sure is a powerhouse. There's a look from it outside. That's all I'm going to make for the video. Goodbye.